Some interesting news headlines that are coming out is that eBay, this large conglomerate eBay, is canceling American Express credit card transactions on the platform. And that is going to start August 17th. So, if you guys don't know, when you're traveling internationally, American Express isn't really taken at many places. Internationally, especially in Europe, a lot of people use Visa and MasterCard when they're traveling internationally because American Express is known for having higher merchant processing fees. When they have merchant processing fees, that means every single swipe, every single purchase, they get a kickback from that merchant processing, and that's how they make money off of those credit cards. eBay says, hey, we have been dealing with these high merchant processing fees from you guys at American Express, and we don't want to deal with it anymore. Supposedly, they had been going back and forth trying to figure out a way that they could negotiate and find something that would work for both of them. Both eBay and American Express are backing up their own claims. eBay saying that they know a majority of eBay customers are willing to use alternative payment options. So they're willing to drop American Express because they believe that a majority of their customers have Visa and MasterCard to use. And if they can, really improve the bottom line by a couple percentage by not dealing with those merchant processing fees, they feel like it's a good idea. American Express, on the other hand, says that, hey, our customers are purchasing 2 times the amount on eBay than Visa and MasterCard holders. So they're saying, we have a right to charge these merchant processing fees because we have customers that are spending more money on your platform and doing it more often than the other credit cards. eBay, like I said, seems like they're fed up with it. They're moving away from American Express starting August 17th. What does this mean for someone who has American Express cards? What does it mean for people that do business with eBay? Well, my thought is, well, you got to move over to another card. Now you're not going to be able to earn the rewards or the points that you may be using to purchase things on eBay with an American Express card. Now, if you're a big time reseller doing a lot of volume, then I guess you're stuck with changing cards as well, and you're not going to be able to earn those rewards that you might be using the American Express cards for as well. So very, very interesting news that is ongoing as of right now. Who knows if they will renegotiate in the future, but right now it seems like things are ending August 17th. An interesting fact that I found as well is if you've ever shopped at Costco, we all know that Costco does not take American Express cards. Costco made that decision back in 2015, and it was actually a major blow to American Express as apparently Costco represented almost 10% of their card members. So a lot of people that were utilizing their cards were utilizing them at Costco, which was a very interesting topic. Now, when it comes to eBay, they actually came out with a stat as well that only 0.5% of our customers are utilizing eBay, but they are purchasing more and in larger lump sums. But 0.5% to 10%, who knows? My take is it'll be interesting to see whether many other large conglomerates or many other large organizations are going to start dropping American Express. Is this going to be a cascade effect where a lot of companies start dropping American Express? They start losing some market share with their merchant processing? We'll see. If you are someone that's a reseller or an e-commerce and you utilize eBay and American Express cards, drop what you think is going on down below. Also, if you have any other insider info, what's going on with this specific partnership, how it could affect the marketplace, how it could affect American Express, how it could affect eBay in itself, then drop your comments below. Curious to hear what you guys think. But I saw this on the news. I saw it in multiple articles. Thought it was interesting that I bring it up because I do talk about credit cards, points, and miles. I'm an American Express fan. I do think they can be expensive in terms of their annual fees, but I enjoy their rewards and their points and miles that they provide and the transfer partners that they provide. But bringing it to you guys here just so you guys understand what's going on, if it affects you specifically, and that's just what I do. So I'll see you guys in the next video.